Good morning, Taoiseach. How can you trust the UK government on Brexit when the UK government says it's not prepared to abide by the law on Brexit?
Well, I think, as I said in my speech, trust is fundamental to the conduct of any negotiations. And we're extremely concerned about the unilateral nature of the British government's action and decision, which has the capacity to undermine progress in the negotiations. Both the timing of this initiative, the unilateral nature of this initiative does not build trust. And I will be speaking later this afternoon with the British Prime Minister to register our very strong concerns about this latest development, and in particular the unilateral nature of it, and the fact that it fundamentally is seeking to deviate from what is an agreed international treaty. And I think it's taken a lot of people back across Europe and indeed within the United Kingdom itself. And it's not an acceptable way to conduct negotiations. I spoke with the President of the Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, last evening. We both agreed that this is a very serious development. We will work in concert with our European Union colleagues, and we'll take this step by step. But the unilateral nature of it is one, I think, that is not conducive to the conduct of negotiations. In addition, I would say also the degree to which it drags Northern Ireland back into the centre stage is very, very regrettable. It has the potential to be divisive in that context, and we must all work to make sure that that doesn't transpire. There was a sense, as we were involved in these negotiations, that the practical de facto reality of the withdrawal agreement and the protocol was being engaged with and was being accepted, notwithstanding people's political objections to it. People were engaging. There's a joint committee there to resolve any issues pertaining to the detail of that and how it would work out in time. That was the proper forum for resolving any issues that the United Kingdom government may have or have with aspects of this, and the working through of the protocol in practical terms, not in unilateral legislative interventions, which does undermine trust.